พัตรา
Hello, I'm okay, thanks. And you? I'm Van Chalerm.
I am good thanks I'm from ขอนแก่น
I'm from Kalasin.
I am a first year student at the Faculty of Education
Me too. Which high school did you go to?
I went to ขอนแก่นวิทยายน School
I went to Kalasin Vidyasan School. What's your major?
English and you
Special Educations.
I'm sorry I'm got to go nice to meet you
Of course, nice to meet you too. Bye.